Mom has been working hard on Christmas decorations, letting the fridge stock drop to an emergency level. To make matters worse, Dad called in, asking to arrange a quick dinner for his guests. Mom, still tired from all the Christmas arrangements, looked into the fridge as she came up with this delicious recipe just using leftovers. Pasta with fresh salmon, with spicy flavors of dill and ginger. If you want to try it, get ready with the ingredients.
Ciao a tutti! The dish of today is made from leftover of my fridge. Farfalle with a fresh salmon and a little touch of Asian cuisine. Follow the steps. Step number 1. I don't have cream in my fridge, so I make bechamel with a little ginger.
Let's start with the infusion of ginger in milk. With a pan set on medium heat, pour milk and steep a piece of ginger and peppercorns. Do not let the milk reach the boiling point. When you see little bubbles along the edges of the pan, turn off the burner and let the infusion rest for at least 15 minutes. Now we move on to making roux.
In a pan, I put some butter, turn on the fire at low temperature. When the butter is all melted, I have to add the flour. I stir until the flour becomes englobating to the butter and a little gold. When all flour is incorporating on the butter, turn off the fire. This is roux.
Warm up the milk infusion again. Slowly add the milk infusion to the roux. Never mind if the peppercorns fall into the mix. It's all flavor for the final dish. Mix vigorously. Completely incorporate the milk. Here is your bechamel. If you see that the bechamel is too thin, keep cooking on low heat, and the bechamel will become thicker. But remember that the bechamel must not get to the boiling point.
The bechamel is ready. Step number 2. In a pan, I put oil and butter. Dill stem and leek.
Fry it gently on low heat until it's soft. In Italian, this is called appassire. Don't let the leek turn brown, or else the taste will be too strong.
I wanted to add some ginger.
You can add a bit of water to delay the browning. Put the salmon. Turn it over a few times. We don't want to cook it completely, but a gentle searing will make cleaning it very easy. Turn off the burner. Take the salmon out, clean it, and cut it into smaller pieces.
I turn on the fire. I put in my pan the salmon and I stir. When all sizzle, I add brandy.
Wait until all the alcohol is evaporated.
Some tomato.
We need just a bit of tomato sauce. We use the sauce for the color and not for the taste. The pasta will take a light pink color, just like the salmon flesh.
Turn off the fire. Dill and a little salt.
add bechamel.
Step number 3. The water boil. I add salt. Boil again. I add pasta.
If you do not know how long it should cook, refer to the cooking time written on the packaging. Of course, this works only if you use a good Italian brand of pasta. Non-Italian brands will become too soft early. We will stop cooking around 3 minutes before the referred time because we need to finish cooking the pasta in the pan.
Yes, now the farfalle fly in the sauce. I add some water. Buono, buono e buonissimo! Delicious! And this is just a test. I think that guest of my husband will love it. If you don't have ginger or you don't like it, what would you use? Let me know in comment below. Ciao ciao!
If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe for more Italian recipes. See you in the next episodes of Toni's Home, where every day is a sunny day.